Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to add a target line in your graphs in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, you must have an existing bar graph or any types of graph with values in it. Next, go ahead and add a new column for your data. Name it target for now. Third, we should set a boundary of what we are trying to make a target line of. Let's say I want to show whether the values available right now has exceeded $180. Let's go ahead and type that to the first cell in our graph. Next, to apply it to every cell, just go ahead and type equals and equate it to the first value in the target list. Press enter. Now, all you have to do this time is to drag this cell downwards towards the last item of the cell. And there we have it. Now, the advantage of this is that whenever we want to try to change the target line, all we have to do is change the first value into something else and the rest would follow. Now, to actually apply this target line, all you have to do is click on the bar graph itself. Next, we should be able to expand our data by dragging this lower right portion of the data all the way towards target. It should show something like this. For now, it's showing up as a bar graph. To actually change this into a line, all we have to do is the following. Select on the data that we want to turn into a line. Go to Chart Design and go to Change Chart Type. A window would show up. Don't be confused if ever we want to change this data into a line. Since this would happen, not only we would turn the target line into a line, but also the bar graph itself would change into a line graph. To remedy this, Excel has this option called Combo. It allows the user to choose multiple types of charts into a single graph. For now, we have the first type of data into columns as well as the second type into line. Once we click OK, we have now achieved what we wanted, which is to make a target line for our graphs. And that is how you add a target line for your graph in Microsoft Excel.